So what happened in Nifty today? So we will do the analysis. So 9:15, so Nifty opened little above yesterday's high. You can see here, but it did not sustain. So it came back within yesterday's range. Okay, and it started coming down. So as soon as it started coming down after 15 minutes, so it's little bit tried to go higher, but again it came down. So first two candles, we can call it as an IB. So we call that as an IB range, which is initial balance. So the time till 10:30. And again after that, so from 10:15 to 10:45, so we can see some downside, but quickly it retracted little bit higher. So here what would have happened? Some buyers would have been pitched in and they would have kept their stop losses below this time. So during that time, so some buyers pitched in, and again, if you see in the next candle, so all the stop losses were got triggered. So which means the sellers pitched in, and they were very very strong. So they brought the market down till day before yesterday's low, and here market took support for some time. Okay, and if you can see these the 3:30 minutes candles, it became sideways. So psychologically, open was not strong enough. So no aggressive buying we saw till here, and upside attempts had a weak follow through. So volume also did not expand on the highs. So the major shift happened after around 8:50. So where the buyers were stuck, so short sellers started probing in. Okay, and few of the stop losses that were kept here at around 10:15 had triggered, and which led market to come down. So there can be many reasons. Open interest, so you can, if someone follows open interest, you can also go and there check, but from the just from the chart perspective, so this is what would have happened. Okay, and once this, so after the sideways movement of yesterday's or day before yesterday's low, so once this breaks, then there was no reversal itself. So right from 2:15 till 3:30, so there was no reversal energy and market went down and down. So you don't see long tail candles, so no volumes on the buy side, so everything was downside, and all the levels so which was there, it started breaking. So there can be multiple reasons so why this happened. Majorly because of US striking Iran, or the bias was towards downside because of that. So this was the reason what would let market to come down. So we call this as a trend day, and even if you see from a chart perspective, so it formed lower lows, lower lows, lower lows right till 12:45 or 1 o'clock. So after that, there were three candles which acted as sideways, and after that, again, no reversal energy, and market came down. So this is kind of a clear trend day, what I will call. And if you follow market profile, you would have got a better picture, because candles shows only two dimension, but in market profile you would have got a better clarity because it shows three dimensions. It will show single prints. It will also show other things which would have been very easy to explain. Yeah, so this is the Nifty analysis for today from my perspective.